When you wake up to the new day, before you do a single thing, say the magic words, thank you, thank you, thank you. These are beautiful lines from the book The Magic. Book reading. The reading book is just like a meditation for me. I feel really calm, peaceful, relaxed, connected with myself and completely engrossed. Book reading serves variety of purpose. The kind of books are there, so many kinds of books are there. You can read for knowledge, drawing various information from the books, and even reading autobiography. When I read autobiography, I feel so motivated, I feel so inspired. So I got one that I read this APJ Abdul Kalam's book, autobiography. So you can pick any autobiography and you can read, see how it inspires you. It helps you in manifesting your dreams turn to reality, and you can read their journey, how they have become so successful and happy in life. This sort of learning from their journey too. Apart from this, I read spiritual books also, and those who have a flair for reading these books, or they want to feel connected with themselves more at spiritual level, they can read Gita Pravachan. Yeah, I remember this book I got as a prize in Gita competition. I was very small. I read Gita daily, this Bhagavad Gita with me, and reading Bhagavad Gita is again connecting with myself. I feel so peaceful, I feel complete, and I get a lot of answers from the book. I would not say book, Bhagavad Gita. Also I also get as if I completely connected with my soul, and it's relishing. Every word speaks. Apart from all these, besides reading spiritual books and books for knowledge, autobiography, I remember I used to read comics. I got one here. When I was very small, I used to read, remember reading Richard Rich and Tintin, Chata Chaudhary. I got one, and it's a real entertainment, these reading comics. So anyone who like reading book comics, they can pick up, or children, they can read comics. Very colorful cartoon characters are in this, and they make us feel so happy, feeling good, and it's a real enjoyment, entertainment, reading comics. Besides this, books help us in health also. Anyone having any stress, anxiety or depression, reading positive thoughts, reading books help change the thoughts from negative to positive. In case of memory, in case of one has to remember the characters in the book, and also like if somebody has Alzheimer or dementia, so when reading a storybook, one has to remember the characters in the book and how the plot is going, so that helps in enhancing or improving that the memory. Apart from this thing, that it help in focus and concentration. Reading a book, you're completely into the book, so yeah, that's a skill you can learn by reading books. And remember, I enhance my vocabulary also by reading books. So all those who want to enhance the vocabulary, so this is for you. Start reading books, enhance your vocabulary, and you can even use in your day-to-day life those words. A book reading before you go to sleep. Ensure at least reading few pages of books. I got one that is the Power of Positive Thinking. Yes, and because when we sleep, the subconscious mind opens, and whatever you read the last, that keep going inside your mind the whole night. So before you sleep, read few pages, and in a day also, promise with yourself from today onwards that you're going to read at least few pages in a day, and develop this habit of book reading. This is really going to help you a lot in your day. And for as we see, most of the time we are busy with the technology. Most of the time we are on TV or this phone. So for that, how it can help? It helps us in detox. It helps us in you can pick up a book that you're having and start reading.